you want to open a Zelle account in 2026, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, you need to go with your browser and then search for Zelle. Once you've searched, you need to go with www.zelle.com. Opening a Zelle account is a straightforward process that allows you to send and receive money easily. So, the first step is to check eligibility. Ensure that your bank or credit union supports Zelle. Most major banks in the US offer Zelle services, so check their website or contact customer service for confirmation. The second step is download the app. If your bank does not offer a Zelle, then download the Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure to download the official app to avoid any security issues. Third is you need to create an account. Open the app and follow the prompts to create an account. You will need to provide your email address or phone number, which will be linked to your Zelle account. Step 4 is to link your bank account. Follow the instructions to link your bank account to Zelle. You may need to provide your bank account details, and some banks may require additional verification steps as well. After that, start using Zelle. Once your account is set up and linked, you can start sending and receiving money. Simply enter the recipient's email or phone number, specify the amount, and confirm the transaction. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.